Hello and welcome to the course. Congratulations on choosing to become an intelligent investor. You have made a great decision. So be proud of yourself. The excitement is obvious. Even I am excited to teach you a lot of new things during the journey of this course. But remember one thing, this is not a magic wand. This course will definitely help you in your journey of stock market investing, but you'll need to have patience and persistence because investing is an art that takes time to master. More than 90% of the people of the country do not invest in stocks, and even 90% of those who do not invest meaningfully. People will have lakhs and lakhs of rupees invested in property, similarly in gold or FD, but when it comes to investing in stocks, they'll invest 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 5 lakh when their investment in gold and property will be in lakhs or crores. So if you are worth 1 crore and if you invest 1 or 2 lakhs, that is 1 or 2% of your income in stocks, you need to realize that stocks are not going to create a meaningful difference. So the aim is not just to teach you how to pick great stocks, because there are various sources to do that. And there are a lot of people who actually know how to pick stocks, but they still don't create wealth. Why? Because they never have that confidence to actually devote meaningful capital to those stocks. So the aim of this course, apart from telling you all the investing strategies, is also to create that confidence through which you actually allocate capital and bring a difference in your life. Even a lot of investors who have invested in the stock market since ages, they don't allocate a meaningful portion of their portfolio to stocks. This happens because we have been fed since our childhood that stock market is casino. It's a dangerous place. So even if you are a rebel and you decide to invest in the stock market, it's difficult to allocate a meaningful portfolio. So the biggest achievement of this course would be if I am able to generate that confidence in you that you can allocate 40-50% of your wealth in stocks. Very few Indians have that confidence. So apart from giving you the knowledge, my job will be to give you that confidence that stock is as good, if not better, than other investment opportunities. So now that the objective is clear, let me briefly guide you on how to go about learning in this course. So you will see in your dashboard 3 tabs. One is course, second is downloads, and third is help. So in the course section, you will have chapters which will further have various topics. So be it videos or text lessons, you don't need to go anywhere else. Everything is under the chapters and those topics, and after the end of each of the chapters you will get an assessment test just to verify that you remember everything that you have learned. So you will get text lessons, videos in some of the important topics, and assessment at the end of each of the chapters. Moving on to the next section, which is downloads. So we'll give you checklists, sometimes we'll review an annual report for you, sometimes we'll give you some market update, and anything else that we feel should be downloaded and kept safely will be available in the download section. Next, throughout the website you will see a chat option. So if you face any doubt, if you think you need a clarification on any of the points, you can use the chat facility on the website to chat with us and solve your queries. Apart from that, it's important that whenever we send you an email, you move us to the inbox. Sometimes the email might land in the spam folder or the promotions folder, so it's important that you unspam it and bring it to the inbox, because by doing this you will make sure that all important updates and alerts actually land up in your inbox, because whenever we update new content, we'll send you alerts on your email. One last thing, this course structure has been carefully created and the content has been very diligently curated to bring the best possible learning experience. So if you find any doubts, be rest assured we are always there for you. Also, do not rush through the content. It's important that you give time to these lessons, because the aim is not to complete the course. The aim is to revise, reread and reread again all the important chapters. So it's important to let those chapters sink in rather than just rushing through the course. And mostly towards the end of the course, when the topics become a little too difficult, you will find more and more video lessons. So hopefully this will be a great learning experience for you. All the best. Bye bye. See you soon in another one of our videos.